If it does this, that means the gears are not fully engaged, and that's bad, okay? What you have to do is you have to grab. Hi folks, welcome back to Winch 101. I am Rob Renfro, design engineer for Ramsey Winch. Today we're looking at a consumer winch, specifically the engagement and disengagement of the clutch. Okay, to disengage the clutch, you put it in the out position, which is right here. You pull your cable out, okay, but then you have to put it back in to engage the clutch there, okay? Now when you do that, you got to check and make sure, is it doing this? If so, that means it's not engaged. If you try and pull a load with it like this, you're going to damage the winch, and that's bad, okay? So you need to make sure this is fully engaged. The way to do that is to grab your housing, your gear housing right here, and give it a little bit of a turn until you hear a click. Did you hear that? That was the click. That shows that it's fully engaged and it's ready for your full load to be pulled, okay? Thanks, and we'll catch you next time on Winch 101.